State your name and age for the record, please.
I'm John Gonsalves. I'm 19 years old.
Hello, John. I'm here to take a statement of the events that occurred on the 31st of December 2014.
Okay.
What exactly happened on the terrace? Why did you go up to the terrace that day? I need your full cooperation. This is for your own good. Now, why were you up on the terrace?
I ended up there to commit suicide. What do you do when you had a rough year and it's New Year's Eve? Some people drink. Others go out and party. I would love to do all of those things, but a dead brother kinda turns you off. It's funny, really. Just yesterday, I sat on this rooftop planning my life. And now I'm here to end it. Pretty poetic, isn't it? Did I forget to mention that I'm freaking scared of heights? Then why kill myself by jumping off a building? Well, it's my last insert expletive to the world. You know, conquering your fears and shit. Holy shit! Can we stop screaming now? No, I don't mean to be rude, but if both of us jump off at the same time, we might be tied together in the media. No, I don't want that. Do you? No, I've already written a note. If you have a pen or a paper.
Wow, you're a special kind of stupid, aren't you? I mean, seriously, who takes a pen and a paper when they're trying to kill themselves?
If you're here to stop.
Do I look like I care? Oi, madam, I came up here for the very same reason that you did. I think I should go first.
Whoa, before any harsh words are said, I think we should all take a moment to think about the issue at hand.
I was wrong about you. You're not a special kind of stupid. You're the definition of stupid. Numbnuts. We came here to kill ourselves. I think the stepping back to think train has left already, don't you?
You think this is funny?
No, dear. I think this is hilarious. I can't do this without
No,
you.
you
What
don't
do you
have to go
want?
first.
Like,
I'm going first.
You
That's
can't do that.
People, listen to what I have to say. Please. I get it. You want to kill yourselves. I want to too. All I'm saying is that we should decide who goes first. That's all. I think the person who's the most messed up should go first. Is that too much to ask for?
What happened then?
I told them about the reason for me trying to commit suicide.
Why did you try and commit suicide?
Is that really relevant? Okay. My girlfriend cheated on me.
How would anything be complete without a heartbroken loser trying to jump off a rooftop?
That's a
You're-
pretty sweet
I'm
thing to
very
do.
confused.
That's a pretty
You're
sweet
very
thing to do.
confused. What's wrong with you? You could
I could be done with this by now. Why am I wasting my time listening to you two bicker?
calm down. What is your hurry?
Yeah, what makes your story better than mine?
Better than yours. Do you know what it feels like to live every day knowing that you deserve to die?
With a line like that, maybe you do deserve to die.
That was unnecessary.
You are unnecessary.
That's a
You're-
pretty sweet thing
I'm
to tell the
thinking
person
you
that
need
I
to
can
just
listen.
shut
Shut
up.
up. Have you ever been to Tadian Mall? Have you ever seen the skies on the way? It can make you forget everything. All your worries, all your responsibilities. It was beautiful. A year ago. I saw it all. I caused it. I should have stopped. I was scared. I should have stopped.
Why am I the old dude here again?
Uncle, do you know what a dad looks like?
No.
Then shut up and play your part in this flashback.
Okay then.
Pa, Couple of friends and I want to go to Madikeri.
Who's driving?
I am?
No.
Dad, please. I really want to go. All my friends are going.
Our daughter wants to go to Madikeri this year.
What's wrong with that? Let her go now.
I would if it was a son.
Excuse me. That it is sitting right here.
Do you not remember what happened last year? Do you not remember the trouble you put your father in? Do you want that to happen to this family again? You're being extremely selfish now. It's as if you don't care about this family anymore. Beyond this, it is your decision.
In that moment, I knew that what I had done would never be erased. I realized what I had done. I had killed someone. The one image that I can never seem to get out of my head is that smiley. The blood, I can never forget it. As long as I live, I can never forget.
So you killed a man.
You can never understand.
Maybe I do.
I don't need this bullshit. I should just end it right now.
That's unfair. We haven't heard her story yet.
Oh, now you care.
I'm just sticking to the plan.
Your plan sucks.
Then why do you agree to it in the first place?
Seriously, why are you still talking?
I'm still talking because that lady is about to take your chance.
Lady, stop already.
Enough with your stupid games. I'm tired of your
People, calm down. We have stories to hear.
Thank you for that performance, Oprah.
Are people actually friends with that?
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Don't play that song, please.
Great. I'm a woman now. Honey, could you get the door, please?
Sure. Hello. Mom is just about to leave.
That's okay. I came here to see you.
Hello there. Sorry I had to rush. Late for the office.
That's okay. I'll make myself at home.
Take care of her, baby. Bye.
Bye, Ma.
So, I ran out of sugar. Can you get me some sugar, please?
Yeah, sure. Where are you?
In here.
Do you have a bowl or something? Ah!
One peek at my phone, and your whole world comes crashing down. Could you get me some sugar, honey?
The whole world will see her pleasant face. I have to live with the demon inside it. Nobody cares. Nobody understands. Nobody.
I'm not sure about anyone else, but I believe you. And I'm pretty sure she does too. Wait a sec.
Who's this?
A terrible thing has happened to you. Something that most people would not have the courage to endure. You want to talk, but nobody has the time. Nobody wants to understand. You're afraid. But I want to tell you something. We are listening. It's a difficult thing to talk about, but we are here for you. We are listening. This is Anjali with the Childline Foundation. How can I help you?
Life is not that great for all of us. But in some obscure corner of our minds, we have the strength to endure. We have the strength to survive. We have the strength to live. Would you look at that? Still in time for New Year's. I'm heading down.
Have you ever had contact with any of them before the events of 31st December 2014?
No, I mean, I've seen them around. We live in the same apartment complex, but I don't know any of them.
Are you sure?
Yes.
The girl who died, Nina, did you know that she was the perpetrator of a hit and run near Thadian Mall on December 31st, 2013?
No.
The very same hit and run that claimed the life of your brother?
What?
Did you or did you not know that Nina perpetrated the hit and run that claimed the life of your brother?
No.
I think we're done here. I will sort out the formalities. You can leave when I come back. What exactly happened on the terrace?